I have now inserted the Raspberry Pi Pico into the adapter board. If you look at the adapter board, there is a key button here. And when we first did the control, we had the LED control here. So we are going to make it so that the LED turns on and off depending on whether this key is pressed. I opened the code from last time and will erase it. Today, we are focusing on the task of recording mode. It's important to note that for today's session, we do not require any specific time settings. Instead, we will be relying on the application settings to guide our process. Depending on these settings, we will either probe or set the LED to a down state. This particular configuration is linked to GPIO 25, which is a crucial component in our setup. The LED is configured to be in the down position, and this corresponds to the GPIO pin number 25. In this setup, the direction of the LED is specifically set to output mode, which means it will be sending signals out. On the other hand, the key, which is another important part of our configuration, is set to input mode. This key is associated with GPIO 14. The direction for this key is deliberately set to input, allowing it to receive signals. Additionally, we need to ensure that the prop settings are correctly configured. To achieve this, please proceed to run the Excel setup. Once the setup is initiated, you will be prompted to enter a response. At this point, please confirm your action by entering Y-div. This step is crucial for the successful configuration of the prop settings and ensures that all components are correctly aligned for optimal performance. That's right. As you can see here, you should understand this part now. And then since we set the input and pull-up settings with the key, when it is not pressed, it is connected to the lower side. Normally, it is in a true state, which is 1. So when the button is pressed, it becomes the opposite. Now low, 0. False. So when the button is pressed, it becomes false, right? When it is false, applying, not changes it to true, so this part executes when the button is pressed. This part executes when the button is released. Let me check it once. It's currently running. And in this state, when I press the key, the LED turns on, and when I release it, it turns off. Pressing it again turns it on, and releasing it turns it off, allowing for this kind of control. This time I used CircuitPython to control the switch of the Raspberry Pi Pico. I will come back with another topic next time.